All right, so part number 4, we're going to convert between percents, fractions, and decimals. So here are 2 rules that you need to know. Whenever we need to change a percent to a decimal, we move the decimal 2 places to the left or divide by 100. To change a decimal to a percent, we move the decimal 2 places to the right or multiply by 100. Now, a cool way to remember where you need to move the decimal is by, well, in this case, if we are going to convert from percent to decimal, I like to write it like this. So percent to decimal, all right? So the R in percent, I like to remember this by saying, okay, I need to start from the right and then move the decimal to the left 2 places, all right? So if you're going from percent to decimal, you're going to move the decimal 2 places to the left. If we need to change the decimal to a percent, right? So decimal to percent just means that you're going to start from the left and move that decimal 2 places to the right. So from left to right. That's a great way to remember what you need to do whenever you're converting. So if I look at number 1, we're converting 5% to a decimal, right? So we're converting from percent to decimal, right? So start from the right, and then we move the decimal to the left. So we're going to write 5, and then a little point. So we're starting from the right, and we're going to move that to the left 2 times. So 1 and 2. Okay, let me use a color this time. We're starting from the right, 1, 2. Okay, and this is where you're going to put a 0. So the answer is 0.05. Here we go. Number 2, convert 1.45 into a percent. So we know that this is my decimal, and we're converting that to a percent. So we start from the left and move to the right. How many times? 2 times. All right, so 1.45. We're starting from the left, and we're going to move it 2 times to the right. So the answer is 145%. Okay, so this is 145%. I made a little mistake here and just wrote 145. Remember, we're converting from decimal to percent. So we're moving from the left to the right 2 times. So that should be 145%. All right. So this is just the editor trying to fix the mistake before publishing it on YouTube. Okay, so this here says convert the shaded region into a percent. So first of all, we're going to do the shaded over the total. Okay, so the shaded squares over the total number of squares. So how many squares are there? Let's see. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know that this is a 10 by 10. So the total number of squares is 100. All right. But how many shaded squares do we have? Okay, well, here, this is a 7 by 10. Right? So if I shade these things, that is a 7 by 10. But we have 3 more. So 7 times 10 is 70, plus another 3 That's 73. All right, so we have 73 divided by 100, okay? So what we need to do is, since we have this fraction, so we have 73 over 100, right? So any number divided by 100 is that number percent. So in this case, we have 73 over 100. That's just 73%, and that is our answer.